7-2.
This is our week 2 captain's log. This week we continue to test and change out shooter prototypes to improve accuracy and throughput.
We also mounted our intake prototype to a robot base and got some drive practice in while timing how long it took us to pick up the balls down.
We continue to make overall architecture decisions and designing a launch sheet.
We also created a conveyor prototype for the bottom of our hopper and are improving our shooter prototype today.
This week for lunch we had pasta.
And the theme for today is pajamas.